Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to another video. My name is Nattie. Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. In today's video, we're going to talk about easy and effortless things we can do to make our home look and feel beautiful. These things are nothing new. It's just that sometimes we get caught up and just forget about the basic thing that we need to do just to start off with a beautiful space. Now, my first thing that I have is clean your home. Now, we all clean our home. We all wash our bathrooms. We all vacuum. We all dust. We all mop. But when is the last time you clean the windows? When is the last time you break down the windows, get in between the crevices, and clean those spaces that we don't typically see? You know what I mean? Think about that and drop a comment and tell me when's the last time you do that. Your sliding glass doors. When's the last time you know what? I'm gonna step outside and look from the outside in and see what it looks like. It's always the little creases that when you look in there, you see all the dirt, especially now in Maryland, we have so much pollen. It is ridiculous. So even though my outdoor space is all green, it needs to be clean. So we're gonna go ahead and run as a power wash from the Home Depot and work on that maybe this weekend or something. Those are the things that we see that our guests probably don't, but those little things make a big impact in the entire visual aspect of how our home look. So we can always glam it up, but we gotta make sure we clean those spaces. And next spot that I know I don't clean often is removing a refrigerator and clean behind that bad boy. I've been asking my husband now for maybe a month or two to kind of help me put it out. It haven't yet been done, but as I'm making the video, I'm making note. I'm gonna ask JB to help me move it probably this weekend and get behind that space, because those parts help with how we breathe, how fresh the place look, and all those different things. And I promise you, if you take notice of those spaces I just mentioned before, you're gonna be like, she got a point. Second, get to the next point. This, our light fixture. Not the switches on the wall, but the light fixture itself that's in the ceiling. For those of us who have, two-story entryway, that high chandelier that we don't get to typically every day, any chandelier that's above 8 or 9 feet, we don't get those spots all the time. I have one here since it's been up there maybe a year. It has not been clean. I don't like heights. I do not. So what I'm going to do, I'm looking now, and I think it's called thumbtack. You can have handyman who probably have those ladders. Maybe I can even have ask Alex to do this for me. Is to come and clean those high chandelier that we don't get to. These light fixtures that is not at eye level, we tend to overlook, and there comes the dust, and there comes all that mess that goes into our breathing, and that's important. As I'm talking about dust, what about, when's the last time you changed your vents? I just changed mine, so I'm talking to you. When's the last time you changed your vents right through the house to make sure the returns are good? Check out the floor vents in the kitchen to make sure it's not dusty. Those are things we need to do to make sure home is truly clean. So when we decorate with our beautiful pillows and blankets, it looks amazing. Next, declutter. Now, I know this is hard. It's hard for me because I hate to get rid of things, but I love the fact when I do decide to declutter my home, and once I start, I'm energized and I'm excited because I love to see space, and I love the fact that I can buy new things and put in there. That might defeat the purpose of declutter. But another thing, when I say declutter, I'm talking about your old kitchen towel that you know is done. You can no longer bleach it no more. You can no longer scrub it no more. It's stained. It's ripped. It's time for it to go. Go to Target. I just went to Target and I got me some brand new white kitchen towel because I had those stained kitchen towels. So as I'm talking to you, trust me, all these things I've done because it was bothering me. So I figure, you know what? Let me come on and share those with you as well. Change out your kitchen towels. Change out, what is it called? Your pot holders that you use to take the pots from the oven. Some of those things are so burnt up and so stained, they have to go. Girls, they have to go. Okay? This thing right here, I just started doing this. Allow yourself to only have 2 sets of bedding. 2 sets of sheets for each bed in your house, right? One that's on And once it's dirty, you have a fresh one to put on. When you start having multiple, it tends to be overwhelming, and that is clutter. We have to try and minimize so we can properly see and use everything that we have. It doesn't make sense to have 5-6 sheets set when in reality you sometimes you don't even use those. I personally like white sheets because those are transitional through whatever season that come. If you're a seasonal home decor person and you have Valentine's Day, you can add your red to it. If you Christmas, add your colors to it. It's a good base. You can always add to it. So I would recommend to have white sheets. For my boys and the other bedrooms, I do gray because I try white with them, but it's really hard. So I went the next color, which is gray. I was thinking black, but okay. We use gray for them, but it's just, so therefore it's threaded, besides the master, it's threaded bedroom. So I have 6 sets, a gray sheet, and I got them all from Costco. All from Costco for $29.99. I've been having these for maybe 2 years now. Great, great, great. Great base because most of my boys' beds are gray. That's what they like. Jackson have a little bit of blue, but it's something that I can build on. But whatever color work for you guys, make it work. But at least 2 sets of sheet set for each bed, okay? Oh, our cleaning rags. Ladies, gentlemen, we have to change our cleaning rags. Those microfiber rags that we use or any form of rags that you use, make sure you're changing them out. I would say maybe every 3 to 6 months, just because we're cleaning mess with it and we can only wash it so much before it's just start becoming that thing. Rags, they still need to look presentable. So when we fold them and put them away in our laundry room or in our cabinets, they're beautiful, okay? They're beautiful. Organization. I cannot stress how important it is to have an organized space. With an organized space, for me, it takes away stress. I tend to get anxious very easily, so therefore it removes my anxiety. Because what I notice with my husband and my kids, if everything is organized and they know where it's supposed to go, they put it there because they don't want to hear me yap yap. So that I see that it works, so therefore I try to create a little system. I have a drawer for the kitchen towel. I have a drawer for this. I have a drawer for that. I try to create that. Now sometimes things don't go as planned, but nevertheless, it has made things a little bit smoother in our household. So try to organize. And when I say organize, guys, I'm not telling you to fold everything like is it Marie Kondo, or go out there and just go broadband storage bin. Find system that works for you. For example, with Jackson, I don't fold Jackson clothes because Jackson's not going to keep it up. What I do is that I have drawers in the room, one for underwear, one for socks, one for this. No, put the socks in there and you figure it out. I don't need that stress. I really don't. Honey. For myself and JB, I probably have a system because, you know, we both share in the same space, and that's it. For my other boys, they figure it out. It's not on me, honey. They're on their way out. Yes, they are. Okay. Yes, they are. That's a whole different day. I'm just kidding, but I just feel like for them, they're teenagers and young adults. They figure out what works. Once I don't see mess, I'm cool. But for my kitchen and bathroom, there's definitely a system that everyone needs to follow because it makes me feel good. And when I walk in these spaces, I don't want to see mess. I just don't. Clean out our linen closet. Again, it goes back. You don't need to have 10 towels for one person. You don't need to have 10 washcloths for one person. It's okay to have 2 or 3 sets. We're only one. Okay, so if you're using a towel for 1 to 2 days, put in the laundry, get another one, it helps you going. And this minimize laundry. And I don't like laundry. I don't like doing laundry, so therefore, anything to make that easier and take up less time, I'm done with it, okay? Ladies, clean your closet out. Go through that closet, those clothes you haven't worn, especially last year with COVID, if they're not fitting the way they should fit, go ahead and donate it. Don't set yourself up to say, when I lose weight, I'm going to wear this again. because 10 out of 10, you're not going to wear it again. Why? It might be out of fashion, and with that new body, it may not look the same. So go ahead and bless someone else with those things that doesn't make you happy anymore. Let's try that and see. I just did that, and it felt great. Because then when the closet is empty and I like, hey JB, I don't have anything to wear. He can't come and say, baby, you do, because I don't. Look, you have to do that so you can get more things, okay? After you do those basic things, after you clean, after you declutter, after you organize, you're gonna have space for some new things to come in. Shop your home. Hey, what? Yeah, shop your home. I'm gonna show you what I did. You remember in a few videos back, I talked to you guys about the entryway. So what I did, I took everything from the entryway and brought it upstairs to our master bedroom, because I wanted the master to have a nice little entry, you know, as you come in, because we had that long wall, and it looks great. It didn't cost me nothing. It's just moving something from one place to the other, and I cannot stress how easy that is. I cannot stress how refreshing it is to take time to shop my home and move things around to create a new space to make me excited, to make me feel good that I'm doing something that makes me happy. Having a beautiful home is not necessarily spending money. It's about how you use what you have first before you go spend money. See if you can be creative with what you have in your home, because most of the time, if we're going to be honest, most of the time we have the things that we need to make the transition happen. It's just that we get caught up in videos and we get caught up with going to the stores and stuff like that. But no, I ain't saying don't go to the store. That's not what I'm saying. All I'm saying, take time to look through your things and make sure you don't have nothing. And for some reason, if you realize that the things you have don't fit your bedroom, maybe fit a kid's room, maybe it fit this, maybe fit somewhere else. Do that first before you spend your money. Now, I hope these tips help you to transform your home effortlessly. Is that a word? Yeah, we ain't gonna use that word, boo. I hope these tips, what's that? Okay. Honestly, my goal and my reason for doing what I do is to make everyone, is to give everyone a chance to have a beautiful home. And finally, and most importantly, don't allow your budget to limit your creativity. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment below and subscribe. And tell me which one of these tips you agree with or what you disagree. We can always have a respectable conversation below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, before I go, guys, I need your help. Comment below and tell me what type of videos you would like to see more on this channel. I'm trying to go through and kind of just navigate and see what is best and what you guys like, and then I can definitely cater to that. But tell me. Bye.